What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share as usual. I would emphasize on the likeness and the subscribe button, like it's red. So just like tap it. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, guys. Like, please subscribe to the channel. Please smash the like button also. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing fine. Today we are going to be doing another investment property analysis for beginners like me and probably like some of you. So we'll be doing this together, and we'll be trying to learn one or two things. We'll be trying to see how we can get cash flow, how we can make money from the property that we're buying, and how we can actually just learn, like just to get some more knowledge, some more understanding about investment properties. So without further ado, without further delay, without further wasting of time, without further hold on, chit chat here and there from me, obviously, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so before we actually like dive into the video, actually I just want to put this out there. This is for beginners, like this is just for learning purposes. So if there are any experts like in the comment sections, or any expert that are watching the video, please correct me down in the comment section down below. Wherever you feel that this boy went wrong, or I said something wrong, you can just actually drop your corrections down in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to actually read those comments, guys. Anyway, so let's go in today. So first thing you'll be seeing on my screen is a Bigger Pockets website. Now the reason why I'm using the Bigger Pockets website is because they actually have like a more detailed an investment analysis calculator kind of thing, but you have to like pay for like the pro version to be able to like get your report, like the full analysis. Now what we'll be doing actually is we would actually be using the realtor.ca calculator, and then we'll come to Bigger Pockets back to like pick out some things that we may need to be put into realtor.ca's calculator. Anyway, so starting from here, so we're going here, and let's pick on this property right here. I don't mean like we should pick on people, like bully the property. I just mean let's pick the property. That's what I meant. Anyway, so this property here, as you guys can see, the picture from the outside looks good, like looks, ooh, then inside, ooh, damn, this is nice. Like, are you seeing the furniture? This is beautiful. But what if this is not how the inside looks like exactly? I'm really not sure, but like if this is how the inside looks like then this is nice, then like this is beautiful. I like the flooring, and it seems like you might not need to do much to the house. It's pretty much like turnkey already. Yeah, it's pretty much turnkey. Oh, that bedroom looks nice. And this is the backyard, a little bit small, but for the price I feel it's okay. So let's go out and let's get to the calculator, which is what we're actually dealing with today. Let's go up. So the price of the house, the asking price of the house is $119,900. That's the asking price. As an investor, you would definitely don't want to be paying market price, but if you know you can pay above the asking price, because there might be competition, if you know you can pay above the asking price, that means you have to make sure that yes, the numbers you're actually going to be putting down works for you, and like you are actually making cash flow. Now let's go into the main thing. So from a 5% down, you need 5,995, approximately almost like 6,000, and for 10%, 11,990. For 15%, you'll be needing 17,985, and for 20%, as you guys can see, 23,980. Now that's the down payments that we are going for. Now let's not assume any down payment for now. Let's just go on with the scenarios. Amortization period, 25 years, obviously. And then for the mortgage rate, now normally I used to go for 5%. Now 5% is for me thinking I'm using the bank, but let's assume this time that we're using a private lender. So we're not using a bank. Now private lenders actually do charge more for like interest rates. So let's go for 6% actually. That is around 6% interest rates. Now, based on everything here, it shows that our total mortgage payment for 5% down is going to be $758. Then for 10%, $712. For 15%, sorry, it's $670, and for 20% is $614. They seem like good numbers to me. And I forgot to actually check out how many bedrooms this is. One minute. So it's 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and I would say we can be able to rent it out between the ranges of 1,003, 1,005. Now this is in Windsor actually. So normal rent for a 3 bedroom should go for around 1,003, 1,005. So let's go in the middle, 1,004. Yep, 1,004 should be good. Now we look at the normal cash needed. Yeah, so for 5% down, you need $8,000, probably like 8,500 and some change. Yeah, so like you need probably around 8,000 and some change for the like total cash, because you have to pay like your down payment, you have to pay land transfer tax, you have to pay lawyer fees, you have to pay tax to insurance, and you would also have to like home inspection, which can be like around like another 300 to I don't know how much, because it depends on the inspector that you're actually using. So I'll say in total, just budget for like around 9,000, just like have $9,000 with you, so that you can be sure that okay, I have all my cash needs covered. Now that's for 5% down. Let's assume we actually go for the 10% now. Oh, you definitely need more cash at hand. Let's try 20. Anyways, let's go for 5% down, since I would say we're going for the first time home buyers aspect. Now 5% down, that means the mortgage payment will be $758. Now let's continue. Monthly expenses, let me take this out first. So monthly expenses, we have the property tax, monthly debt payment, no utilities. Now I really wonder why utilities here doesn't change for some odd reason. Like it doesn't change, but anyway, we'll fix that for something else, because you as an investor, as I always say, do not have to pay. Like you do not need to pay utilities. Let the tenant pay the utilities, except if it's then like a condo, then you might have to pay like HOA fees, which is like homeowner association fees. But this is not a condo, so we'll just put that aside. Now the next thing, property insurance needed. Phone, hell no, 0. Cable, hell no, 0. Then internet, hell no, 0. Now this is where the bigger pocket thing comes in. Now because it's more detailed, it will tell you some extra things. Now repair and maintenance, we need that. We need vacancy, we need capital expenditure, we need management fees. Now these 4 things, right, we also have to like calculate them as part of our monthly expenses, so that we can actually know how much we are going to be spending every month on that property. Now repairs on this house, we'll use that for utilities, so that's what we should put in here for utilities. So let's say repairs, we should budget around $100 or like $110 every month for that. Then in the aspect of phone bill, let me come here. So we'll say we should put it for vacancy. So for vacancy, which will substitute phone bill, vacancy, let's also do like, let's say $50. Now that's depending, actually $100. Now that depends on the area that you're actually investing or buying the property in. So you have to know the vacancy rate of that area specifically. Now the next thing is going to be, let's go to bigger pockets, capital expenditures. You might not need that specifically. Then also management fees. Management fees, since this is going to be your first property, there is no need to be paying a management fee to a managing company. No, you can take care of this by yourself, which is good. Now let's just say something for capital expenditure. Let's go for $50. So let's put that in the cable aspect for $50, right? So in total, right, our total expense, total monthly expense is going to be $1,168. Now do not forget that we said to rent a three bedroom and one bathroom in Windsor specifically, like this place specifically, right, we're going to be going for around the ballpark of like $1,400. So that's $1,400. Now if we're doing 1,168 from $1,400, I would say we should approximately be having a cash flow of around $232 or so. Like, yeah, something around that ballpark. $232, yeah, I think. So from what we just got here, it shows that we can actually put in our own personal pocket $200 approximately cash flow every month. That's just on one property. Now I have learned a lot from here also, because previously I didn't actually used to put vacancy rates fees, but now I am able to put in vacancy rate fees, and which is actually good because you have to be prepared for when the property gets vacant. If you're not prepared, then you would have to be paying from your own pockets. But if you're prepared, you already know that, okay, this is the expense that will be coming out, and there is already a budget for that specific expense, and it's very good to have that on ground. Okay guys, I hope I was able to bring some information to you for those beginners like that, like me specifically, because yeah, I am still a beginner in this. And I hope I was able to like touch on one or two things that I feel some people may be like, I understand what this boy is saying. But anyways, as I've said before, if you feel I said something wrong, if you feel I've done a mistake, if you feel I didn't add anything that I was supposed to add, please drop it down in the comment section down below, because I really want to like improve on this. I really want to get to know this thing better. Anyways guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I'll be ending the video for here today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any comments, please drop it down in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer those comments. Anyways guys, as always, please stay safe.